North Station, where in Boston you can get the Nor'easter train. Here we go. This train, the Nor'easter, is cheaper than a bus ride to Portland, Maine. Paid 26 bucks. Alright, just got through the gate. We're looking for train 6, 8, something. It's not up there. You gotta look for it. Alright, I may get kicked out of where I am, but I found a place to plug my phone in while I wait, because I couldn't find anything at the train station to plug into. Oh well. See if I can get some sort of good charge before I get on that train. There are chargers on the train, but I'd like to film and also access my phone to get my ticket. So here we are, sitting and charging. Also, just one more plug for Boston. If you love history, or at least American history, you haven't been here, you need to. That's the train, I think. They haven't announced the gate or the track yet, but I'm pretty sure this is my train. Seat, my tray, plugs. I'm facing forward, ready to go. And we're off. There's that bridge so early. So depending on where you're going, it puts that paper different ways, different kinds of paper. By he, I meant the conductor.
I was like, about
So what I like about the train is walking. Connection. Next stop, University of New Hampshire. There's a quick ride to the next stop.
Station south. In 5 minutes, our next station stop is Old Orchard Beach. Old Orchard Beach in 5 minutes. Old Orchard Beach.
Next stop is Portland. So unfortunately I got a little flustered getting off the train, and we just had to kind of get off in a hurry. So I didn't get to get my last final shots of the train, but I am in Portland. I am on to my final destination. It was a good train ride. I got to get some sleep since I was up all night on the plane, or the planes. And yeah, happy to be in town, and I will be making some more videos while I'm here. Thanks guys for watching.